Hey guys, how's it going? All right, so the topic we're starting to move on to for trigonometry here is well. Let's back up. In Math 10C, you learned how to do trigonometry with right angle triangles. Okay, so if you have one of the triangle where one of the angles is 90 degrees, then you could use something we call right angle trig. Okay, so that's what they call SOHCAHTOA. So what we're working on right now is we're starting to learn some new techniques on how to solve some triangles where it's not necessarily a right triangle. Okay, so what we call the sine law is one of those techniques. All right, so we have this triangle over here, and I'm just going to do a bit of work. I'm going to label this triangle. So I can call this guy A, this corner B, and this corner C. Okay, now kind of a convention we do in math for trigonometry is like we label the vertices, the corners, with capital letters, and then if we look at the opposite side, so if this is A, I mean that means the side across from it is going to be little a. If this is big B, this is little b. If this is big C, this is little c. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw. I'm going to say the altitude or the height of the triangle. I'm going to label this guy X over here. So what we have over here, we've kind of forced two right triangles. So if this is the height, this will be a perpendicular line here, so it's going to be 90 degrees. And we have a triangle on the left, and we have a triangle on the right. So if I look at this, if this is my angle A, well, this is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. So I can write down sine A equals X over B. Okay, so sine of this angle equals opposite over hypotenuse. Now, if I look at the triangle on the right, and the same thing, I'm going to write another sine ratio for my angle B over here. So sine B equals, well, opposite over hypotenuse is X over A. Okay. Next thing, I'm just going to multiply both sides by A, like this. And I'm going to multiply both sides by B, like this, with some cancellation here, cancellation here. So the idea here is we have two equations with both are equal to X. B sine A equals X, and A sine B equals X. Now this X is the same in both triangles over here. Okay, so now I'm just going to make these guys equal to each other. So I'm going to take this and make it equal to this over here. So we have B sine A equals A sine B. Okay, next I'm just going to divide both sides by B. We can cancellation over here. And we're going to divide both sides by A like this. So we get sine A over A equals sine B over B. Okay, and this is the sine law that we're going to use. Okay, all right, so guys, hope this makes sense, and I'll see you in the next video.